morning, everybody. This is David from the Trader, and this is Marie. Yes, let's see what we do today. How we perform in this market. Market is spiking back up. SPY is looking very good, in my opinion. And yeah, let's see. We have a bunch of names, numbers coming out today, but more names. A little speech here, a little speech there.
Okay.
I won't give too much relevance to that, but we have to make sure that we don't ignore it at the same time. So, like, I don't think it's something that is going to move the market drastically, but it's something that we really like because it's going to be there. We want to be paying attention to that. So, Mary, how are you doing? Later, we come back to a list of items.
Okay. Well, I'm doing very well, though it was my last day of swimming today. But really, we're talking October 7th, so I've definitely been blessed this year with all the swimming that I was able to do.
Oh, my
So,
goodness.
beautiful morning.
Yeah,
And you? How are you doing, David?
pretty good too. And yeah, a little bit chilly. Like, I mean, coldish outside. Like, it's not as cold as the other days, but it's
Yeah,
staying
one of the
like that.
warmest mornings that I've had.
Today?
I think it's 15.
Yeah, okay. Well, I went out way earlier than you, so
Yeah, that's
why.
it, right? So
That's why probably.
yeah, I go into the pool at 7:30. So
Oh no,
yeah.
I was 1 hour out before that. So yeah, so the names we have today is we have LMI Logistic Management Index that came at 6:05 this morning, but then at 9 we have used cars price. We had the red book today, which came a little bit below the previous. Like the previous was 5.9, the actual is 5.8. We
Okay.
have used car prices month to month and year to year. The one I said was only month to month. So we have little speech from Bostic, Bowman, Miriam, like Bowman.
Okay, so
and,
most of the feds are going to take the mic.
yeah, that's at 10 to 10:05, but then Miriam is at 10:30. We have consumer inflation expectation, and that's at 3, at 11, like at 3. The last
Yeah.
one was 3.2, but it's at the time is 11. Yeah,
It's like that one should.
yeah, that one should
Having it
move
back,
a little bit. Yeah.
right? So
And then we
move it a
have
little bit.
Kashkari. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name, but Kashkari from the Fed also talking.
Okay.
So, and that's at 10:30, and then Miriam will talk again at 4. Yeah, but that's it. So just to be aware of those numbers, like as I say, I don't think they're gonna move more than the consumer inflation expectations. But watch out! It just say expectations. It doesn't say final. It doesn't say projections. It's expectations. So let's see what they have to say about that. Yeah, so is there any ticket that you are looking at?
I only have one order in right now, and that is okay. So just a 1281. I've got ACHR. So furlong, and now I'm just scanning through it. We've got so many that are imbalances to the top. Almost every stock right now that I'm looking at is way above the PCL as of SPY is the same. And if we're looking at SPY right now, like I looked at the tape maybe a few minutes ago, and we've got big stack at 671.70, which is pretty much the PCL. But we do have the biggest order is actually at 675. That would make it another all-time high today. So, this here, that being said,
Bigger and better.
Hmm?
Bigger and better.
bigger.
Yeah. How many all-time highs does he have on his belt already?
Right?
So, it's like,
So you keep saying, okay, well, you know what? Like today, it's $1 over the PCL right now. So you're saying, okay, well, is it going to pull back? Well, we've got, like I said, a stack at 671.70. Is that possible to pull back there? Yeah, it's $1 for sure. But all stocks that I'm looking at, I haven't found one. Actually, the one I'm trading right now is the one that is under the PCL, which is ACHR. So that seems interesting to me. The only thing that I'm looking at is that I'm not sure that it's going to pull back to there. We do have 1280 on ACHR, but the tape is flipping as we're talking. So it could be that I might need to front run it a little bit. We'll see. I'm going to be watching it right now.
Yeah.
And we have to remember as well, you've got QUBT that's interesting for me. The reason is that it did have, as we know yesterday, it had an upgrade to 40 and it's far from there right now. So,
Nice.
and you, Davey, what are you looking at?
Wow, while you were talking about those names, I was looking at all of them as I can, and yeah, I have no tickets right now that I am interested. Like, I am looking at the usual things that I will trade, basically Nvidia, AMD, PLTR, and like, yeah, let's see what they do. Tesla, which actually is a little bit sleepish for the last couple of days. Like, Tesla have been not trading, not doing crazy things. I mean, like, you pull back a lot and people were freaking out because of the, there was a, what was that? Was it the tax cut expiration things? I don't remember. There was something related to that. So the day before the expiration date, Tesla really ramped up. Like, it went very high, but the market's gonna open in 5 seconds.
Yeah.
But then next day it just keeps selling off, and people look at it as a bad news, which it's okay. I mean, it's Tesla. Like, you have to be able to digest those type of volatility. So yeah, market open. SPY is looking good, I will say, for now. It's fighting with the opening price, but going down a bit. And yeah, let's see where it wants to go. SPY is pulling back aggressively right now. That's a big candle, you know.
Mm-hmm. So,
So I would like to see, as I say, I have not a clear plan for the open, and I'm okay with that. It's just like, don't take any trade, just wait for them.
big
Like,
pullback from SPY. Yeah, I agree,
Yeah, like-
right? You don't want to chase.
like AMD today. Is AMD gonna offer 214? And yeah, like again, like look at Irene. I don't know if you have seen Irene today, but like you have all your names: Irene, QUBT, and Rigetti, like really cracking it up. So yeah, for AMD, I would like to jump at the price it is now, but historically talking, that's not right to do that. So because of that, I'm gonna take a little longer into see where I would like to go long on AMD, and that's a little bit too far from there. Yeah. So I'm glad I didn't went long on there because there is a clear price. And yesterday, it's funny, but yesterday that was what it was doing. Let's say today I can front run it by a bit, but we don't have to get crazy on that one. So again, a quarter of a position at 215.
Okay.
And if we pull back to 214, I will add, but then I will tight stop loss in there.
Okay.
Clear plan for AMD. I think AMD can go higher. So just you don't want to do what I did yesterday, which was I was an okay day. Like I was red at the end of the day, but it wasn't too crazy. So it's just like it really doesn't work that you jump too quick on names that are not trading that good. Yeah, there is a rush. Those that number, yeah, it's looking good. You know, like discipline will matter a lot here. It should pull back something like 214.50. So I'm just gonna be disciplined and I'm gonna wait for it. I have no reasons to rush on that one. Remember what happened yesterday? Irene went red like quite a lot. So, oh my goodness, like this thing is really bleeding. So Irene, I probably will take a trade on Irene, but let's see. I have an order to get the AMD, as I say. I am not rushing AMD. I am not doing anything with it. You will have to get me to pick me up there. All right. Yeah. Let's see something. 58. So I have no trades right now. It's quite simple. Just like I'm not willing to jump at the prices they are right now. So like AMD is trying to go back up. It's at 218 right now, 217.60, and it's fluctuating a lot actually. So but AMD is trading with the same type of volatility than yesterday, maybe a little bit dimmed, but like not by a lot. I'm trying to go short in Irene, but that one is taking a little bit longer. I don't have to, the same thing, it's a very tight stop loss for the Irene. I have no intentions of jumping at another price. So I want the good price or I don't want it. And that's the mentality because of what I did yesterday. Nvidia going back up to 188 or close to. Marie, what are you trading? Sorry.
I'm trading QUBT.
QUBT, okay. Nice, you are going long.
Correct.
Okay, QUBT. Oh my goodness. Don't tell me that your price is 22.60.
No, it's 22.80.
Still good, you know? Still good.
Thank you.
So AMD is trying to make me believe that it doesn't want to go to the VWAP, but I have played with you, my guy, before, you know, and I know how you play. So, or you get me at the price I have it, or it's no trade for you and I. So, no, look how it will do it. It will shake out people, and it will do a very nasty thing around there, and then like Irene didn't get me in by the penny, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's look at something else. The QUBT that Marie has, and
No,
you got you out.
not yet, but it will.
You
But
sound
it's
very
almost going to
convinced of
get
that
me
one.
out where it's going to be popping, so.
Okay. Okay, QUBT coming back up, but not looking that good. Really, like.
Agreed.
So for AMD, if I manage to pull that one correctly, I want you guys to pay attention to like how patient we have been with that one by not getting the price. Like I think it will make people believe that it will go higher before really shaking them out. That's actually the process. I entice you to go long, then I shake you out, and then I move. So I have an order to get AMD at 215, and it's not crazy to get it at 215. You say, well, it's at 217. Well, this thing is moving one to $2 up and down like in minutes, seconds actually. So yeah, I have a quarter of a position. If we go back to 227, that's pretty good. It's $10 trade.
Hey.
So, but yeah, the potential of the trade is that it could probably go to 227. But like, it's doing a very nice VWAP holding there. Like, I mean, if he take off without me, then I won't be able to get it. But I'm okay with that. I made peace with that, especially as I say, it's memories from yesterday. So Nvidia is trading quite well. I think I'm gonna be looking for a long on Nvidia right now, and that one we're gonna be a little bit more. How you say that? Frugal, whatever. Frugal, yeah. So basically, let's look at that Nvidia. I want to be clear with Nvidia too. So Nvidia. That's 8460. So let's see Nvidia. What is that tape telling on Nvidia? So Nvidia. Oh my goodness, you are trading like not that pretty, you know. Okay. I would like to try the long on Nvidia at 186.50. $186.50. There we go. Nvidia is not as interesting as AMD right now. That is because of how AMD have been trying to fall, like to make you believe that it will go, and like Nvidia is just choppy, but
If I'm not mistaken, SPY is right in the middle of the range again.
close to, yeah, close to the center, a little bit above.
Okay.
Nvidia going without me, that's okay. We don't have to rush it. Crazy enough, I haven't taken any trade. So that trade that is there is not me. That trade is say automated trade. So
Oh, okay.
I'm probably gonna get Nvidia and AMD at the same time. In both of them, I'm looking long. SPY is providing the juice for those two to get to the point I want them.
Okay.
Irene, I had an order on Irene and I canceled it. Why did I cancel my order on Irene? Oh no, it got me in, got me out. Okay, I did took a trade. Okay.
Oh.
Let's try Irene a little bit there. It's okay at that price. Let's play back with you. You are playing chicken there. Let's see if you really have intentions. Right. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't judge Irene correctly, like because it's very volatile.
Okay.
So the trade I got me out immediately because of I had a 15 cents stop loss on it. Right, I got to Irene now. Let's see what he wants to do. Okay. Okay, so now Irene is a full side trade with a normal stop loss.
Okay.
So full stop loss. So say 1 hour risk compared to whatever I did before. There we go. There we go. How is your QBT doing?
Not much right now. I know 1280 is like I bettered my price, 1281.
2281?
Oh, 2281. Thank
Yeah.
you, David. 2281.
So in Irene, what I'm doing, basically, I am just shorting this line here, the 200 moving average in the 5 minute. Why I'm shorting it? Because of the momentum. It was looking already like weak. So I short the 58.85. It's an average around there that I have.
Okay.
So if we break too high here, we can be out and quiet.
Okay.
Like, it kind of looked like Marie's trade, but look at the
Reverse.
VWAP and like, yeah, but like, yeah, like, so I was willing actually to take partial very soon on that one, or I am willing to take partial very soon on that one, but let's try to let it do whatever it wants to do before, because AMD is gonna get me pretty much about now, I think. Yeah, about now. There we go, AMD. As I say, we are really picky, unclear where we want AMD. So there we go. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. You know, don't get me like by the penny. Don't let me out. I am not jumping into that trade unless you get me at the price I want it. AMD. Yeah, like if you see your QUBT, you see for how long it traded above the VWAP before the market opened.
Mm-hmm.
If you look at the ring, if you look at the ring, it didn't do that.
No,
No. Like Irene during the pre-market was already trading
below.
below the VWAP. He had an attempt to get to the VWAP, but he didn't get it.
Okay.
So there we go. AMD is coming for me right now. There we go. We got AMD. Remember, I say if he pull back to $1 against me,
Mm-hmm.
I will be adding, and
Okay.
that will be my last add. Okay, it's still gonna be a half of a position, but I will still like not adding more to the half of position because we know what it can do. So Nvidia, I had an order to get filled at 186.50. It went
Okay.
to 186.60, 10 cents above me. And look at where it is right now. NVDA, literally at 188.05. It's okay. It happens once in a while.
It does.
So Irene is gonna get me out very soon. And the same thing I keep saying every time. Like I don't know why I didn't notice where my stop loss is. Well, my stop loss is at a very technical price.
Okay.
So in this case, a no good one because what happened is that it can put AMD at the adding point. So AMD, there we go. I add to AMD, and now let's see what it wants to do. Don't get distracted, baby. Don't get distracted. That's how you went not good yesterday. So AMD.
Excuse me.
You good?
Yeah, excuse me.
Oh, good. Good. So, in my opinion, the best price for AMD was 214 for today. But like, I have no more reasons than the fact that the buyer was there at the tape yesterday,
Okay.
and today it was reacting okay at the 215. So, but yeah, as I said, the volatility on AMD is so crazy that we have to be careful with how we trade it. Any trade? Still QUBD?
Starting now
Okay,
to move. Seems like we're exhausting.
the QUBT. Okay, Irene got me out, and yeah, I won't touch Irene anymore today. QUBT, yeah, like I see how it's building up.
pretty much typical QUBT move, but cross the view up so I can take a partial.
Let me know.
Took a partial.
Yeah, right now I only have AMD and it's coming back. That's pretty cool the way that AMD is coming back, but like we're gonna have to wait for it to manifest. I would like to take another trade somewhere else, but oh my goodness, it's coming back and it's coming back aggressively. AMD. So let's see AMD right there. So as I say, AMD 214 for me was the decent price. So let's see if it will manifest or not. When we read the tape on AMD, what do we get? That's a good question.
That's a very good question.
So yeah, we can go. We need to go to 215 and see what happened in there before 215.30. And if we go through that, we can probably go back to what is that? Yeah, it's 216 then. The one that has sizes. Yeah, but we have sizes everywhere, so probably it will work. Let's see.
You said AMD?
Mm-hmm. Just watch out, whatever you're doing there, you have to be little shares, you know? Like, it's moving $2 about toward the downside or toward the upside. Either way, it's moving a lot.
Yeah, 212, well, 213 looks good.
Oh my goodness, Nvidia. This one is gonna be a little bit more risky, but let's see if I am correct. Correct.
Okay.
So I have an order to go long AMD, Nvidia, sorry. We have AMD already. Just like let's see if Nvidia gonna keep manifesting or not. Yeah, like the resistance, I see the typical resistance in your tree experiment on QUBT at the VWAP. Yeah, I'm basically asking to Nvidia pick me up where the trend is. Like it's trending, but that's a dollar trade only probably because I see that the 189 is building.
Okay.
And it's building with front running quite heavy, so or this ain't enough for it to let's wait for it. Like 188, 188.80. what I'm doing there is something I don't like to do because I am quite bad to buy the tops.
Okay.
I have a tendency to anytime I buy a top, it's a time for reversing. But I'm being disciplined on that one, so I have a plan. So say one shot and let's see. There we go. Okay, what are you doing?
No, no, no.
Maria seems to be very focused.
I am very focused, but I believe that QUBT has a great potential,
Mm-hmm.
but I guess that the trader has limited patience.
Okay.
So
Well, just imagine that you were the one that pushed AMD yesterday, the way it was pushed. How do you feel at the end of the day? Like, I think that tequila is the last thing you need. You know? Like, anybody that bought it at 227, 228, like, you know, it's going like crap right now.
yeah, that was incredible.
Like, just right now, the patient is requiring for trading it. Like, I still have my AMD. It went green, it went red, it went green. It's like, and now it's like 0.6 cents, like against me right now. You see?
Yeah, now it's
But
positive.
but it's about. It have moved about 90 cents against me that I saw it, but like you know that the trade have like a $10 potential, but are you able to wait for it?
Oh,
And do you have a price that allow you to survive that volatility? That's maybe to a obvious point, but you know what I mean.
yep.
And SPY is bleeding like if there is no
Now
tomorrow.
it just, yeah. We will see 671.70 for SPY. Yeah, stock still there.
I'm just looking at the volume that is being printed for Nvidia while it's pulling back. It's quite low volume.
Is it?
Yes, it's like right now 189.50, half a thousand lot. So instead of me believing or not believing on the trade, what I'm trying to figure out on Nvidia is the trade still valid?
Okay.
And it is still valid. So for it to be invalid, it actually will have to get me out because it will have to re-enter into what is the opening range. But the SPY is not helping right now. AMD going down quite a lot right now. Nvidia going down quite a lot as well. Yeah, I'm gonna take a quick walk around the tapes just to make sure that I want to hold or not hold those trades. So AMD, yeah, I see that there is a 160 lot at 213 on AMD, and it can go there. That's for sure because 213.50 and 213 is the biggest players right now. Then we have some resisting at 214 here, like right here you see a little bit of building up in volume, and then you have at the 50. This is a very boring trade or board trade. I don't know how you say that. Boring trade for AMD right now. So why? Because for me to be wrong, it will have to keep flushing. Like basically we'll have to go below the 213, which actually you cannot see here, that 159 here. It will have to get there and then keep going down, like for me to be wrong. And because it's promising, the trade's kind of saying we can go to 217, and if we go to 217 from here to there, it's a good trade. So it's just like I have bigger expectations for it. It's just I don't see those expectations on the tape. So because of that, we keep it nimble. We let it do whatever it wants to do. And if we hit our stop loss, we just get out of it. It makes no sense to hold it. So Nvidia is the other one, which I like about what I like about Nvidia is the fact that the volume is kind of saying that it doesn't want to go lower. So, but we're gonna have to wait for it to print 189.50 because at 189.50 we have roughly 2,000 lot. And what is the, like, from the good to go, we can see Nvidia relative volume is not that big of a deal right now. So can it go higher? I think it could.
Think so?
Yeah, the tape on Nvidia is definitely looking more attractive than in PLTR. Than on AMD, sorry. Tesla. Is there anything I can do to, because I am doing nothing, so do you want me to look at anything?
Actually, it's like you said, it's a little bit slow right now.
Yeah, chopped up.
Yeah.
It's like a spice going down, but the things doesn't want to go down with the spice, so. Which that statement could be backward because technically equity moved the index. Yeah, I'm looking everywhere and I have no reason to take more trades. So you know.
Yep.
Like. Yeah, I'm just trying to think about any name that I would like to trade. Like right now, AMD. I have AMD. Rigetti. I don't want a Rigetti, but like Rigetti's. Like
Rigetti's been doing well.
That's part of my problem in there because, for example, like why I don't have any trade, because if you see, most of the volume is in where QUBT, Rigetti, SoFi,
Anchor,
LAC,
yeah,
Irene. So those are names that I don't trade, and because those are names that I normally, well, I trade them here and there. Like thanks to Marie, I am trying to get them back, but because I'm not a fan of them, and I don't trade them as often. I have not much trades today. And even like Nvidia and AMD, like I am kind of debating if I really want them or not, because sometimes that's the right move to walk away, you know. What will be that way? How can I check that out?
How can you what?
Yeah, I'm trying to see, like, because like as I say, from a day trading perspective, those are names that I am not too convinced of holding them. So let's take a deeper look, if we can say that. So we're gonna go in the daily here, and we're gonna look where we are standing up right now. Yeah, super far in the NVDA as well. ELTR. Let's take a quick look at Amazon, because you remember Amazon. Okay, so probably we can take some trades on Amazon.
Really?
Yeah, let's see. We're gonna have to look at the tape a little bit deeper on that one. Okay, Amazon tape 2158. Hey, that one is funny.
Which one?
I have an order to get Amazon, but probably I won't get it
Oh no, why?
because it seems to be already in the move. Nobody's looking at that one, I think, and because nobody is looking at that one right now, okay, it's gonna get me. Come on, buy the penny. I am from running it 1 cent, and you know, the usual thing. Yeah, I think I can get it. I'm kind of being very creative right now in what trade I want to get, and that's why I went in Amazon.
Okay.
Because as I say, I have no clues where those things want to go. But Amazon, I traded last week, so I have still in memory what I'm doing with it.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm unable to get it by 1 penny right now, so it's okay. It's okay. Okay, we got Amazon.
Ooh. We haven't traded that in a while.
No, I traded last week.
Oh, did you?
Mm-hmm. But again, it's a boring trade, you know. It's a trade that we're gonna be looking at it for a couple hours probably. So any story, lady? Anything to say?
I heard that there's plans for Christmas around your house.
Nah, that's not it actually.
No?
Yeah, like we're gonna be mute on a bit, but we're gonna be here. If anybody's there, feel free to ask anything in the chat. So
Okay.
we are on mute now. Like
But Halloween is Halloween.
All right, so we're back here, and basically, like as I say, those trades are doing nothing right now. So we're just gonna wait and see. AMD is the only one that get me nervous right now, but probably because it's the only one I kind of don't know what it wants to do.
Okay.
But yeah.
And the
so
AMD?
AMD, yeah, AMD. Because Nvidia is behaving okay. Amazon is okay as well for now. The problem with Amazon specifically is the most bored trade of those three, because that one, like I understand. I'm not sure about that. That not many people are looking at Amazon right now. So until it clears up, there is a daily price action that have to be cleared up. And until you do that, basically that clear is at 24. And at 24, I have a level right there.
Okay.
That's a daily chart.
Okay.
And the range right now is between 24 and 1560. 224 and 215.60.
So AMD, like I think I mentioned that before, strong level at 213.
Yeah.
And so if you're surviving the 213, I think your long is going to be...
You are repeating me.
Hey?
I say that too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like when I understood that the 14 was the strongest, but it's not based in today's price action. It's based in yesterday's price action.
Okay. Come on, 7. Those late people are freaking me out. But I got to be patient because I was one of those. Right? Like right now, so I apologize to everybody out there.
Oh, you
Much
don't
I
have
drove
to?
you
I guess.
crazy, but like, oh my God, those late people to the train just drives you crazy. You just need to pull back, and it pulls back against you, and you're just looking and you say, "Come on, the momentum was there. Why did you slow down the momentum?" Oh,
Yeah, like I was going to ask you, is that they are late or is that they are lowballing it?
no, they're not there. The price escaped 10, they come in at the 10. So, and you're saying, no, the momentum is there. But it just slows down just a little bit, picks up the late passenger, just goes back. But I like it because that's one of my trades, as you know. It's just that I like the price action, but it's just, it's a little frustrating because I've been in this trade since 9:30. So I've been waiting for this move. It's 9:30, and you're like, and it happens, and we've got late people. No. It's been brewing since 9:30. You cannot show up late.
I'm sorry.
You were so relaxed. All right,
Oh, now I'm exercising the muscle, you know?
The muscle of I'm going to be. Don't pick them up. See, Dumbo. I know.
Boo!
So, if I'm looking at one that really would have. Actually, I was crying because I was into AC I put an order of ACHR, and I put my orders at 12:40.
Sorry, Marie. Can you move the camera a little bit more to your? You are like off. It's cutting your face. Sorry.
That's okay. So I had an order for ACHR for a pop, but my order for ACHR was at, it was 12:40, and I think that what happened is I got, so that was 12:40, that was the biggest one. It really popped very well from there. But then it pulled back into that VWAP, and then went back up, pulled back in, back up. So yeah, no, it would have been similar to QUVT, and
Jump around.
QUVT got me out.
So probably they are waiting for the consumer inflation expectations, which is, it's missing a long time. It's at 11.
It is, Okay, so now SPY's at the PCL. There's no way you want to go out, right, Dubo?
Let's try to see if he wants to go out. Okay, I will take that as a All right, we are back, but we're gonna be mute. If anybody want to know anything, just ask on the chat, and we're gonna speak out loud.
Two
Okay,
Phillies?
so, sí, muy bien, muy
Hey,
bien.
gracias.
Oh. So we are on mute now. So we have Marie talking Spanish here like a pro. So
No,
let's go, Zach. Let's see what my guy is about to. So.
oh, Zach is there?
Yeah. Well, he was there in a bit, I think. What's up, my guy? Are you there?
So,
Hola.
You alive, huh? You alive, me alive, to the moon alive?
Solomon.
Yeah. How are you doing?
Pretty good, you?
Pretty good, pretty good. You are surviving school?
Yeah, it's not the worst yet. So.
No,
Not the worst yet.
not
yeah.
busy yet.
Like I have this week, and then there's 2 weeks with 4 exams. And,
Oh my goodness.
after that, it's like a whole week of vacation where I'm coming back in town.
Like, way.
Oh, nice. When's that, Zach?
Mm-hmm.
When are you coming back to town?
24 of October.
Nice.
Pretty good.
I've been trading 5 today. Pretty good today.
Look at you. Yeah, like, I guess for you, very predictable.
Mm-hmm. Like even the bottom that it just did, I got stepped out by a little bit, but it worked. Still.
Nice. Yeah, like, I was, technically, I shouldn't have any trade today because of how, like, I have no clear levels right now. Like, the things that I don't trade are absorbing all the volume. So, but I took those trades knowing that they are boring trades and like slow. So they are not doing anything right now, but that's what is going on here. So you have been trading only a SPY?
Yeah.
I went. Look at you.
I've been practicing as soon as you move in my favor, like 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
I take half. I move my stop loss to break even. And at the other level, I add back and everything.
Look at you. Pretty nice stuff.
Today was like 3.5 hours.
Very nice.
Very nice.
So, since the 24th of September,
Mm-hmm.
where I only traded SPY, and some, like I traded SPY, Amazon, and Spotify,
Mm-hmm.
and I've had like I've had 15.5 hours.
Oh my goodness. Very nice. And that's cruise control because, as you have been telling me, that is very reliable for a SPY.
Yeah. It brings back to the. Remember when I was trading fire with the daily level strategy?
Yes, yes.
It was working pretty good. It's just that I stopped doing it because the money needed to do those trades or to buy.
Bigger. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But I'm gonna trade futures now.
You always have a solution for every problem. You know, I like that. I like that.
Yeah, I checked futures or like you can have on Interactive Broker. It depends on the broker.
Mm-hmm.
But Interactive Broker is 9 times leverage.
Wow. Yeah, I remember you mentioned that to me. So, like,
And if like I do right now, if I always put my stop loss, it's basically free leverage.
I know people that trade futures. Like my two friends from British Columbia, that's what they trade.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they don't trade stock like us. So yeah.
You know that if you trade futures with the broker AMP, which is specialized in futures, I think,
Hmm.
you can have 22 times leverage.
Oh my goodness.
That's good.
With who?
22 with the AMP.
AMP. Let me guess. They are located in the Bahamas.
I think it's a US one.
Is that US one? Okay. Oh, you don't know? In the Bahamas, there is a bunch of brokers.
No, I did not know.
Yeah, it's a legal problem, but it's okay.
Really?
But they are good. Like some of them are very good. You know, like. But yeah, I didn't know that. I didn't know that broker actually. Oh my goodness.
So that means with $400 in your account, you can hold the amount on SPY of 268,000.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, that's. You always have to be very careful with those settings. You know, like I don't want to talk wrong about it. It's just like it's one loss can wipe out all your capital, and then it's like okay.
But 9 times leverage is enough for me. What would I do?
Yeah, and you have a good risk management, from what I know.
I never take off my stop loss.
Yeah, pretty good stuff. So Amazon took a big slap right there, and that was a 20. That means not much to me yet. The fact that you have been slapped that way, because this thing is moving very slow toward the upside, but yeah. Nvidia is under pressure. AMD is looking better, but I think I can probably get out of Nvidia.
You think so?
Yeah. We are a little bit closer to 11, that's for sure. Like, Zach, but from what I know, basically you could almost automate your strategy for the Trading View account, no?
Yeah, I tried, but the thing that is hard is I draw the level by hand.
Yeah.
So it will need to be drew by itself.
Yeah, like you can do that. It's
how do you
tricky.
draw it?
No, like you will have to give like try it this way. I have tried those things eventually. Not with that indicator specifically, but you can take your indicator if it's a open code source indicator, or like the code that if it's public and you can get it, or if you have access to, you can give it to ChatGPT and you say, look, in the histogram here, locate the lower bar and do this in there.
Yeah, I did that. You remember I did something that looked like a loading profile? But like, it's kind of buggy and not as precise and everything.
Yeah, you're probably gonna need ChatGPT. What, 5 is it now?
I have the plus one.
You have the plus one? Okay.
For school, my guy, it's the best thing.
Yeah. I remember when the teachers were complaining for the copy paste problem, but now you have the AI problem. It's like, oh, yeah.
Like now, teachers doesn't do they don't do exam at home, or they do it and they expect everyone to use it.
Okay.
But like in math, my teacher is not that good right now.
Oh yeah.
And,
Ow.
so to learn the things, I put the problem on ChatGPT and I tell him to explain everything,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
do a little class, give me problem on the specific thing in the problem that I didn't understand.
Yeah.
Like a teacher.
Wow.
Yeah, you see, half is positive side.
Like I send image, that's why we need the plus.
Okay.
I send a lot of images to ChatGPT of the problem and everything. Sometimes when I'm able to do it by myself, I send it to him and say like, is it good? What do I need to change?
Okay.
So you've got good experience with it.
Yeah, good experience. I'm a professional.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, like
Right, NERP is not stopping.
I didn't look at it. I know you told me to look at it for yesterday, but I forgot. So let's see what were you trying to show me?
52 weeks live.
Oh my goodness.
You remember the price I got it?
It wasn't like 870 something like that.
850.
850. And that's right now he got the tray 850, and right now it's 2116.
Woo! Wow.
It's
Oh
like
Zach.
140 something percent. And the news I'm
That's my
waiting
guy.
for didn't even come.
My guy, that.
Hmm?
No, me telling her, Marie, that's my guy.
I love when he says that. Hey, it's my guy.
But yeah, the news is not
Yeah.
out yet. Too.
That's the funny thing. The news haven't came out yet. You know, it's like because he's waiting. What is it? The phase 3 from the FDA?
Phase 3 readout. It's not FDA. It's a phase 3 readout. Something different.
Okay.
Yeah, I learn a bit more every day about those.
Mm-hmm. That's not from Canada. That's from the States, right?
It's a company created in Australia that is now based in the States.
What is
Okay.
it?
NEUP. They talk what they do. If you can let Marie know what they are, that's what she is asking.
Aren't they
Pharmastock?
a pharma stuff? Okay.
Yeah. Pharmastock of 7 employees that have a phase 1 readout. That means like they have to pass three phases
Mm-hmm.
for medication to come out. They have one phase 1, one phase 2, and one phase 3. And the one on phase 3 is expecting to release fourth quarter, so right now. At the beginning of fourth quarter, so right now.
Yeah, in 1 week or 1 week and a half, maximum.
Mhm. So and it's I think it's for PTSD medication.
Oh,
The phase 3, there's one. I don't remember.
Oh my gosh.
hey,
Oh.
what a call.
If I just look at.
Yeah, I think I have it. The other one that you gave me.
SPDR.
SPDR is it? Let's see. It's SPRB.
SPDR.
Case $201.
Look at yesterday.
Oh my goodness. What? It was at $25? What?
It did 1,700%.
It was at $8. You see why short is a bad idea eventually overnight? Like,
those guys. Cool.
yeah, if you got short in there, even with $3,000, you lost $100,000 something. So that's thing from if we say like it opened yesterday at $10 or something like that at 809. Let's see another chart that it will look a little bit more clear. I like the long on Tesla at 447. I haven't taken it, but I am very tempted to take it. So SPRB. Yeah, like oh my goodness. Yeah, yesterday the pre-market was at 852. And it went from 852 to $357.
No.
Yes, no, yeah, look at it. Like the pre-market high is 358 with 97 cents. Like look, the low of yesterday, that doesn't count pre-market. $30, 30.03 to 358.9. But you wanna do? Are we gonna do it just for the fun of it? Let's look at the share structure of that thing. That's why, like,
It's a low float stock.
I'm almost sure that thing doesn't have 30 million. Like right now, I am not updated about it, so basically, I kind of don't know what is a low flow stock anymore because that number keep changing. Like,
You know, NERP. You know what the float on NERP?
the NERP is quite high. I remember, I think,
1.23 million.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
So that's why it's moving so.
Erratic.
Erratic.
That's insane.
This guy predicted by the penny.
Wow.
So what I'm looking for, SPRB. Oh my goodness.
It might be lower. Okay.
You have it?
Yeah, 457,000.
I know.
What?
That's
the
how many
hell?
shares were available of that thing.
So that's how you get a big pop like that.
I look at their target. The yearly target was like $10, and it went to 358.97.
How's that possible?
It's possible. Like, you know what is the funny thing? You can look for those. It's just we don't put that attention to those. Like the trade that Zach has right now. He's able to elaborate on his own. I know, but like the trade that Zach has on it is the same thing. The same thing. Like, it doesn't have as big of a potential, but like let's say $100 on the NUP could be doable, because what happens is that normally the shares that are available, people like Zach, let's say, that are looking at that, if Zach has, like, let's say millions of dollars, he will go and he will acquire those shares, knowing what is his downside. So when he do that and he's not selling, so the stock is so inactive. Then when the news come out, they have to go and beg Zach for shares. So it's a strategy, actually. In YouTube, there are people that are big enough like that explaining how it works. And
Look at you going big, Zach.
I don't have a lot, but from what I
You don't
understand,
need a lot for that kind of move. Wow.
Mhm.
You
Yeah.
don't need to buy a fortune when you got that kind of move. What
Yeah.
a call. Good job.
no, but like that's not the one that he has.
Oh, okay.
No,
Yeah.
no, yeah, like we are
That
just
would be,
illustrating a case. Like the ones he has the potential of doing
What
a
this
third
trade
of that.
does.
No,
Oh.
a third of that. It's just a third,
But just a third.
but it's
Wow.
it's measurable.
but it could be more than a third.
Yeah, we are being grounded here. You know, we are trying to be grounded.
But from what I see, the condition would be a big catalyst on a company that has a lot of cash,
Yeah.
Okay.
like Nerf, let's say. There's a company called Brock. That is a pharma company, like a big pharma.
Maybe Marie
They
know it.
They gave Nerf like a shit ton of money for like 2
Okay.
years, I think. But the condition is they have a lot of cash and not that much debt.
Yeah, the RMQ ratio is low.
Yeah. They have a big catalyst coming up, and they are low float and low market cap. Like Nerf, when I bought it, it was 20 million market cap. If the phase 3 readout comes out positive, a company could be worth $1 billion. So that's basically the shares move the same amount.
AST was it? I remember. You remember? Yeah, this company ASTS.
Oh, that shows up a lot.
Yeah, but if you go back here to when this thing was $20,
Mm-hmm.
I gave that trade to. I say to people about that.
I remember you
I say
said
that to Marie. I say that to another friend that we have, and I say this company has a projection of billions and billions of dollars because they were competing with that. They are competing with. It's not Neuralink. How it's called? Starlink.
Starlink. Oh wow.
And they had a different technology for how they are approaching those things. So it went from $20 to 71. Like, yes, it's just 3 times. But you can still look at how much juice that thing have to go. But yeah, like, pretty cool, Zach, the things you are doing with those.
No kidding. So were we getting news? I didn't get any news.
Yeah, at 11 is actually right now. I'm gonna take a look
because
at.
I don't have anything. They're not talking about possible.
Nvidia got me out a couple minutes ago, so I'm gonna get myself out of AMD. It's just not smart to stay there right now. Actually, I say that. Let's see. Yeah, it came out. Inflation expectations, consumer inflation expectation. Previous was 3.2, and right now it's 3.4. Very small number. So, Zach, for you to find those things, do you still do our old process that we were talking in the past, or do you have a different process?
Nerf, I found it on Corvus chat.
Mm-hmm.
So someone posted it. Go take a look at Nerf. The gem.
Yeah, it's funny because yeah, you keep.
So
Yeah.
I went there, saw the chat again. People saying why Nerf is a good stock.
Mm-hmm.
I confirmed everything. I bought it.
Nice.
And now I have a couple more because of the chat on Nerf. They are all pharma stock people.
Yeah.
And like Nerf is not there's not a lot of people like every day the same people text.
Okay. Yeah, like the only thing I would normally say, you know, is like watch out for the downside because, like I know you are very good for that, but what I'm saying basically is like, as juicy as they are toward the upside, sometimes they get surprises, you know. So
Yeah, like if the news is bad, I'm willing to lose like 50% of my business. That was the bet.
So I'm out of AMD, and I got myself out of there. Like this market is looking weird. I know it's I have a bunch of bad trades today, so I took Tesla now because it was looking okay, and I just think I fooled myself in there probably. Okay, out of Tesla as well. I got myself out. I didn't let it
Yeah,
go
me
too
too.
far.
Got myself out of ACHR.
So I have no trades. I won't force it. I have no trade ideas either. So I just simply don't wanna do anything dumb about it. And red day today, and like just as bad as yesterday right now. So
Yesterday it was green.
yeah, you were green yesterday.
No, today I'm red. But we still have, we'll see.
Like, what is going on SPY? Like, did you see a SPY?
Crazy. We've got the print acceleration on SPY.
I'm checking every single stock from my list to see if I want to trade any of them, and it's like, no, you don't want to touch them right now. Even Amazon, Amazon is okay. Amazon I'm holding because Amazon is supposed to be okay-ish, but sorry. You're right, it's okay. BBAI. Zach, what is your take on BBAI? Like, what do you say about BBAI? Is that like, to put in context my question, I am planning probably to liquidate a little bit of Tesla to get some BBAI.
Okay.
And like, but that will be quite long term. Like, I mean, it will be for me to not think about it for a long time. So, yeah, both of you, if you have anything to say about that, what do you think about? Like, is there a price that you like? Is there a reason why you would like or why you wouldn't like about it, or to buy it? So.
don't know the company, you know.
BBAI?
Yeah, I know what it is, but
Okay.
I never done any research or something.
Mm-hmm. Okay, understood.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
Oh my goodness. From the point I took the trade on Tesla, right now it's $7 below. And like, do you want to do that? No, I don't want to touch that. Okay, so good for Tesla.
On SPY, if I kept my short from 9:45,
Yeah. We'll be golden now.
partial, I would be 25 or up.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
But that's unrealistic. So. Okay.
Yeah, like normally we don't expect to hold in that good there. 84.80. Did something hit the wire? Like, what happened there?
Well, the numbers, but the numbers came out.
Yeah, but they are not even that bad. Many people in their head right now, I think they are just hearing J. Paul saying equities are a little bit too high.
My guy, for the meeting that we wanted to do,
Yeah?
is it okay if we do it like after the 24th of October?
Yeah, my guy, that's perfect for me.
And I have a week of vacation.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Because I don't have time.
Yeah, I know. Like, no stress out about that. I know you are very busy. So,
And like I'll probably I'll trade on Thursday. After that, I'll either trade a little bit while doing homework or not trade. So
yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
be 2 weeks off, but then after for the week of vacation, I'll be there every day.
Perfecto, amigo.
If that nerve goes up this summer, my guy,
Yeah, you told me that if he does that, you are full-time trader.
I like that.
But even if it doesn't, maybe I'll. If I'm confident with my spy strategy.
Give it a hit, yeah.
We'll
Pretty cool. Zach, what do you do when you see that you have a level that is relevant, and but you look at it a minute after it touch it? You just ignore it and you don't come back.
maybe we'll retest it.
Okay. Like the quality of the bounce. I am talking AMD and Nvidia. The quality of the bounce in those were by the penny.
On the level.
Yeah, on a level, and it was both of them. And I came and I put my orders like about a minute late. And then I say, okay, let's see which other. And like when I went to AMD, the same thing, he just tested. Like on AMD, the level is at 209.78. He print like 209.81. Like so I assume I am a little bit off in there by a cent or two. And in Nvidia, it was the same thing. Tesla was the same thing. Like Tesla was 439.80, something like that. I'm gonna check that one out. Like I should be okay with my Amazon there, but I just find out that I miss trades for not be looking at the right thing. Well, for not be looking early enough at the right thing.
So you're looking at what for NVIDIA?
Like I can tell you right now. Just give me a second. Like Nvidia, it printed already. It's actually the low of the day, but it's quite. It's like the level on Nvidia is at 184.78. Look the low of the day.
That was perfect there?
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
But then I'm gonna give you the same number for AMD, and like I am not able to see price action here because it's just a spectrum. But when I give you the specific number is 209.73.
So, how wide is your range?
This is a month one.
Is it wide?
Oh my god, it's like it's
super
impossible.
wide.
It's impossible to go through that.
Yeah, it's like what, a $50 range?
And it's the first time that you asked me that question. Have you noticed that?
Mhm.
Why? Did you came to a different conclusion in that matter?
No, but usually I put my stop loss on the end of the range.
Oh no, the width on that is about
$50.
yeah in AMD it's about $50. But if you go to Nvidia, it's a big one too. It's not as simple. It's like
210 for me, 210.50 for AMD.
But if it's $50, my guy,
yeah.
you go because yesterday it played in that range, like it went in there.
Mhm.
But if you go on the daily one,
Mhm.
you can find the drop in volume inside your big range.
Okay. Got you.
Try that.
Okay. So. Dumbo, you cannot be wanting to go out again, man. Like, now we are like your slave. Go and open the door for me. Go and get me out. No, my guy, quiet. Don't abuse it. My dog is wanting to go out so often now.
Well, you know when you
Mary's
grow...
dog, you know.
In what planet?
Yeah. Sorry.
In what planet is that, my dog? No. Adoptivo. Tiempo partiel.
So let's humor me.
So do you see some in the daily level?
Yeah, I'll be there. Zach. I just have a question, Zach, for you about that. Like, I'm doing it now. I was doing something else. In your analysis or in your way to look at that thing, what is the possibility of you considering that it won't go back to those inside price? Because the way the way I'm looking at it right now, you say from the month to jump in the daily, let's say, it doesn't look like if it wants to go back to those insides. I just moved that thing. There we go. Okay, so if I go here, I should be correct. Okay, now I'm in the daily. Okay. Yeah, if you see in the daily, it went there yesterday, and then there is like it's very sketchy trading happening right there, like in whatever you trade. But the major level for the daily I have is at 202.88. Let's be more precise. 202.97. $97, and that is if ever it goes inside. But what I'm saying is that because of how it looks in the bigger time frame, I have little hope that it will go below 209.73.
For me, I have a couple of range. I have above the price. I have 215.35 to 213.56.
Yeah, that one I don't have it.
Below the price, I have where it jumped.
Mm-hmm.
I have exactly where it went.
Do you have 211.64?
Yeah. Yeah. 211. Yeah. 670. 210.46.
Okay.
That's where it's gone.
Got you.
You have it?
No, well, like right now, yeah, I have from where it bounced. It is in the daily, and it coincides with the monthly as well.
So, if it pulls back to that, you put your stop loss below the daily.
So basically, if I get it at 207, let's see. If I get it at 209.73, basically you will put your stop loss right below 208.27, something like that, right?
Well, we don't have the same level, so
Yeah.
what's the price you have?
Yeah, for that one, if I have to put my stop loss below the other level, it will be at 208.40.
I have a little dip. But for me, I wouldn't consider it.
Okay. Yeah. Well, it's
But
like
basically, I would expect it to go to 213.34 higher, then reject it and come back to 211.70, 11.70, or do it right now.
oh my goodness. Yeah, we have to have that talk whenever you are available. But as I say, there is from my side even there is no rush. Like we're gonna check it out whenever we are able to.
We have to go.
Okay.
Yeah, I put the level on AMD, but
Mm-hmm.
you see if it works or whatever.
Yeah, well, like if you notice on my trades today, do you see how hard I have been for Amazon to get me out, though it's not doing anything now? Like it is the level that you gave me or that you teach me. But look at the 200 moving average as well. Like how close we are to the 200 moving average compared to the rest of the stocks. So, as always, it's like there is not just one thing that say the story. It's like a combination of them. So, yeah, we have to keep practicing that.
Like on Amazon for swing trading,
Mm-hmm.
I got a sweet level like that I actually traded on my paper trading account.
Mm-hmm.
I got 219.04.
Wow.
And then I sold it when it bounced. But like if I kept it, it would be like
When you take those trades, do you don't use the leverage products for those?
I don't know.
Because
My stop loss was wide.
okay.
So I didn't make a lot on that, but I think I made like 0.5 hours.
Okay.
But the one on Spotify, look at that.
Yeah,
I'll send you a picture.
your nemesis. Like, that was the first stock you ever bought, no?
No, but it was one stock that I bought, I sold, like soon after MPC.
Yeah.
I bought Spotify, and it did 268%.
So those moves have been on your neighborhood from long ago, you know? Alright.
I'll send you the picture of Spotify.
Okay.
That was in one day. So I could have kept it, but I didn't want to keep it overnight. I did 0.5 hours on that.
Oh yeah. I see.
That would be a swing.
From here.
I traded it like
This is his entry. This is the exit.
Wow.
I traded it like a day trade,
Mm-hmm.
so it's a swing more.
That's when okay.
If you see the daily chart, I'll send you the daily chart.
Holy
it
crap.
the day before.
Look at the same trade, but the daily chart. Like the day trading, like it's a minute
Oh
chart.
my god. Woo!
And the next day it did way more, but he didn't want it to keep it overnight.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
And so what I did with that is the day before, I remember, I put the monthly level, and I saw it close to the monthly level, so I put the monthly level, I put a line with an alarm,
Mm-hmm.
and as soon as it crossed the line, I enter and boom. Amazon the same thing. Amazon did 0.5 hours, that one did 2.5. So
Okay.
pretty good.
Like that's something that's like Maria and I are working on sitting down here earlier, and like at least for the things I trade, I like to do the levels more often. So
Mhm.
because it does have value, especially when you see sizes on the tape.
When they're confirmed with them, right?
Yeah.
When they're confirmed with activity. Definitely.
Like that's Spotify and Amazon. I was at school. I received the alarm. I enter on my phone. Pretty good.
So did you want to wrap up? Or
Yeah, we're gonna wrap up. Zoom. Just give me a second.
oh please.
Yeah, I'm gonna go, guys.
You too.
Take care.
Okay, Zach,
You
have fun.
too.
Keep
Have
me
a great
posted.
rest of the week.
Okay, see you Thursday.
Oh,
Thursday.
fantastic.
Perfect. See you then.
Yay.
Bye.
Bye.
So yeah, like let's wrap it up. Basically, like for my trades, I'm about to get stop out for the rest of the day, and I did worse than yesterday probably, but I forced it again. Like I mean, I keep looking for trades when I knew that I have no much good ideas right now because they were not at a price that I was interested. So you hear me saying that. But yeah, it's the discipline of not trading when you have the fogginess or the it's not at the price I like or at the price I want to trade it. So yeah, kind of poorly trade execution there. So I trade today Irene, and that one I went short and I got stop out like and then I got myself out of the way, you see, and yeah, it works, but it's okay. So that one I killed it even before he got me because I say I don't think it's gonna work, but it did work, the short. It's just I didn't hold it. So that was for Irene. So AMD, this one I followed my plan. So I went long at 214, 215. I had at 214. Then I got stopped out at 213. Then I decided to go long again at 211.98 or 212. And right now it's moving against me about 1 hour, so I should be out of that one. But yeah, no good, no good trading for me on any of those. So I took a shot on Tesla, and then after that shot, I'm glad again I came out at the price I came out. Like normally I allocate the $3 stop loss for Tesla. This time I allocate only like when it went $2 against me. I say it's supposed to be bouncing, so I don't want it anymore. So I got out. And good thing that I got out because then it moved like $7 against that trade. So on Nvidia, I went long on Nvidia at 188.50. What did I say about me buying the tops? Not a good thing, right? Look what happened there. So then I went long again, but this is a move that
And
I
you rarely
chase.
buy tops.
Yeah, it's very rarely that I do that, but I did it today, so I'm like, that's why I don't do it actually. Like, I think I hear Sharif or somebody saying like the same thing. I am so bad to buy things that are extended, and yeah, you can see the pure sample there of why I don't like buying tops or buying things that are already in the move. So that's not a good thing for my equation. So that's it for me. Quite red day right now. Like I mean, as I say, I'm this close to be a stop out for the maximum loss for the day. And yesterday was a red day. No, it wasn't maximum loss, but it was still like not pretty. So I am trying to, like, probably because of that, I was a little bit more impatient of getting some good trades. But the reality is those stocks, their prices, the prices that they were at, I knew I was trading bad prices. So yeah, we're gonna have to keep working on that. And let's look at Marie. What did Marie did?
Well, I was the same. So I had two orders. As like, if you
It's
remember,
contagious.
I know. I had two orders. So I had an order as an ACHR, and I had an order in RGTI. So what happened? No, our ACHR and QUBT. So what happened is I got the QUBT before I got the ACHR, and that so I got in at QUBT at 23, and I got out with a loss at 22.60. Then when I saw how it reacted to the 22.20, which was pretty much very close to the PCL, I took it again, and I took a profit at 23. My first, remember, I took a partial there, and then I added again at 22.80. Added a second time at 22.80. Added a third time at 22.80. And guess what happened?
Yeah.
I did not take a profit when it popped out. Did not de-risk, and I got out with a loss at 22.60. I stayed away from it after that. I'm glad, because like for me, I just kept seeing along there, so completely wrong there. And ACHR, I went back in, and that actually just a very low loss, but I still did a loss there. So I went in at 13.45, and it got me out at break even. I went back in at 13.47. I took a partial at 13.70. Added at 13.55, pulled back with a loss, a regular loss, a 1 hour loss at 13.30, and did not go back in at 13. So walked away from that one. And RGTI. So RGTI, I just made 1 hour on RGTI. That at least I got a better price for RGTI. So I went in RGTI at 41.50. Added at 41.63, then I broke even, got me out, went back into the trade at 41.70, took a partial at 42.38, then I added on the 41.88 and broke even, and I'm out. So I don't have any trade right now. So I did 1 hour on RGTI, the rest, so I've got a 3 hour loss on ACHR and a 5 loss on QUBT. So red day, not crazy red day, but still red day. So for the week, I believe a little bit red, because yesterday was a green day for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. So yeah, at least you will be able to recuperate from that.
Yes, absolutely. But I'm still interested in RGTI. Right now, 40.70 seems to be a big level, but then we've got a bigger position underneath at 40, so we'll see how that's going to react there.
Understood.
We'll see.
Okay. So I hope everybody have a good one. We're gonna be here tomorrow, and yeah, that's it. Sometimes you get a little bit sucky, and that's today.
Hey, look at the
So-
market, right? So what a loss, what a loss, what a loss.
Yeah, it's quite annoyed by this one today right now, but yeah. So I hope everybody have a good one. We're gonna be here tomorrow. Have a good day.